Hello everyone, welcome to the day 7 assignment video for the Stempedia Bootcamp. Today I'm making a project called Object Detection. Now for this I'm using a different backdrop which I have already downloaded. Now I'm going to upload it here. Okay, this is image is available on the learning module. Okay, this is done. Now about Toby sprite. I'm not using the sprite Toby for this program. I will upload a different sprite. Scarebox. Okay, now the stage is set and we have the sprite scare box. Let's begin. First I'm going to import the time. Library. So import time. Okay, now I'm initiating object detection and pen object. Okay, now this is done. I'm also using pen dot clear function to clear any markings on the image from previous sessions. After that I'm going to set the threshold. This is the confidence level for detecting the object, so I'm calling object dot threshold. Set threshold and I am selecting it to be 0.5. Now after that I am calling in the analyze stage function. Object dot analyze stage, and I'm disabling object dot disable box because we already have the sprite scare box. Next I am going to set a loop because I want to detect all the objects one by one, and I also want to put the scare box sprite on them. So I'm using an inbuilt function range to loop through all the objects. For I in range one object dot count function, it will count the number of objects in the image, and I am putting +1 here because then parameter excludes the last object. Okay, so colon here. The for statement is done. Okay, now I want to set xy and size of the object. So I'm using set x function, and here I am putting object dot x function, and inside the parenthesis I'm writing I. Okay, so I'm writing sprite dot set y object dot y I. Okay, so x and y are set. I'm setting the size, sprite dot set size object dot width I. Okay, now our loop is ready. Once the object is detected, I want the sprite to say the journal name of the object, or we say the class name. For example, if this is a car and the person is there who is riding a bicycle, and which company bicycle or which company car will not get it here. The just the journal detection of the object, this can be done through sprite dot say function, and I'm writing object dot class name. I'm putting I here. Okay, now after that I want the image to be stamped, or the object in the image to be stamped. So I'm writing object dot stamp, and I'm adding time sleep also, time dot sleep function, so that there is sufficient time to analyze the next image. Okay, so our coding is done. Let's run it to check everything is all right. Okay, as you can see, the coding is perfect, and we can see the object detection on the stage. In the scare box sprite, we can see all the objects are named by their class name: bicycle, person, car. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.